Meet the BirdDog MAKI Live Production Combo, a compact, professional, multi-camera live switching system that works anywhere, all for under $2,000. Today, we're checking out a powerful, portable live production solution from BirdDog, the MAKI Live Production Combo. This combo includes 3 MAKI Live cameras, the MAKI Studio control surface, and the MAKI Studio app for iPad, giving you everything you need to build a flexible, multi-camera production. Let's start with the MAKI Live camera. On its own, MAKI Live is a compact, battery-powered camera that captures up to 4K 30 video. It features a 3x optical zoom, built-in Wi-Fi 6, NDI-HX compatibility, HDMI output, and USB-C connectivity, allowing it to function as a plug-and-play webcam when needed. MAKI Live cameras can also be easily controlled using BirdDog's free MAKI Live app, available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play, giving you wireless control right from your phone or tablet. When you use multiple MAKI Live cameras together in the MAKI Studio app in the Live Production Combo, you move into true multi-camera production. The MAKI Studio app becomes the central control point, running on an iPad with iOS 16.6 or newer, iPad not included. Pair this with the included hardware MAKI Studio control surface, and together they give you hands-on control to switch between cameras, manage audio levels, create picture-in-picture layouts, bring in images or video clips during live streams, and record your program locally while also streaming out live at the same time. Connectivity is another key advantage. MAKI Live cameras can connect to an existing Wi-Fi network, or in locations where there is no network available, up to 3 MAKI Live cameras can connect wirelessly and directly to the iPad. That makes it possible to build a complete multi-camera production and record locally, even in fully offline environments. BirdDog has a complete set of accessories available for the MAKI Live workflow, including webcam mounts, tripods, and PoE adapters. It also supports a host of third-party hardware. One example would be for an advanced audio setup. Just add a USB dongle and a multi-channel USB audio interface like the Motu 2 2-channel audio USB interface if you're looking for a flexible, portable, multi-camera system that lets you stream live, record locally, and control everything from an iPad without a full studio setup. The BirdDog MAKI Live Production Combo delivers serious production power in a compact package. Learn more at Videoguys.com.